Why airlines are destroying economy class. It's not what you think. Picture this. You step onto your flight only to pass massive private suites where rows of economy seats once were. The rest of us? We're crammed tighter than ever. Service is rushed, and comfort feels like a distant memory. But what if I told you this isn't by accident? It's a calculated plan. Airlines like Air France, Emirates, and Delta are deliberately ripping out economy seats to make room for luxury cabins. Their new business model? Make the flying economy so miserable that you'll pay almost anything to escape. This isn't about luxury, it's about psychological pressure. And today I'll reveal 10 airline secrets that prove it. Let's dive in. Number 10. Your seats are vanishing. Here's why. Airlines keep this dirty secret. Economy class is disappearing on purpose. Walk onto any newly configured aircraft and you'll see entire rows removed. Massive premium suites where dozens of affordable seats used to be. Every major airline is trading volume for value, betting fewer passengers paying astronomical prices will generate more profit than a packed economy cabin. Air France's La Première suite takes up 5 economy seats. But their gambling 4 ultra-premium passengers are worth more than 50 budget travelers. The old airline model was simple. Pack more seats, sell more tickets, make more money. But now they've flipped the script entirely, and you're paying the price. Pro tip: look for older aircraft configurations on airline seat maps. Planes that haven't been upgraded with premium cabins often have more economy seats at lower prices. But here's where their math gets really devious. Number 9. The secret math that's robbing you. Airlines are hiding a financial conspiracy affecting every ticket you buy. Here's the shocking truth. While 95% of passengers fly economy, just 5% in business, or first class contribute up to 30% of total airline revenue on international routes. Airlines are barely profitable. Even in their best years, they only keep about 6 cents of every dollar you spend. With razor-thin margins, they've discovered it's more profitable to sell fewer seats at astronomical prices than pack the plane with budget travelers. A single first-class passenger generates more profit than an entire row of economy passengers. This is why they sacrifice 5 economy seats for 1 premium suite costing $15,000 instead of 5 economy tickets at $500 each. Pro tip: understanding this math gives you negotiating power. When flights aren't full, airlines would rather upgrade you for free than fly with empty premium seats. Think that's manipulative? Wait until you hear about psychological warfare. Number 8. The psychology trap that controls you. Airlines discovered something devious. They're not selling transportation anymore. They're selling status and psychological superiority. That business class ticket isn't about a bigger seat. It's about making you feel special while everyone else suffers. They've weaponized psychology against regular travelers. The moment you see priority boarding, private lounges, and champagne service, they've planted dissatisfaction. You start thinking, why am I being treated like cattle while they get royal treatment? Picture the full experience. Skip security lines, relax in private lounges with free food, board first, get called by name, sleep in a flatbed, eat gourmet meals. They're selling the feeling of being better than everyone else. Pro tip: recognize this manipulation. The comfort you're paying premium prices for used to be standard economy service 20 years ago. But here's what will really shock you: the insane costs behind those fancy seats. Number 7. $1,000,000 seats. You're paying for. Airlines are hiding the shocking truth about premium cabin costs. Each modern business class pod costs between $100,000 and $350,000 per seat. Multiply that by 40 seats, and they've blown $14 million before takeoff. These mechanical marvels break constantly. Unlike your simple economy seat that gets a quick wipe down, premium seats need specialized technicians, software updates, and deep cleaning. The maintenance costs are astronomical. Then there are the soft costs: gourmet meals by celebrity chefs, premium wines, designer amenity kits. high thread count bedding, branded pajamas. Plus, premium cabins demand more flight attendants, the most senior, highest paid ones. Pro tip: economy passengers subsidize the premium experience through higher base fares. You're already paying for luxury whether you get it or not. What if I told you there's a global conspiracy involving airlines worldwide? Number 6. The global war against your wallet. Airlines globally follow the same playbook, but they are not competing fairly. Middle Eastern carriers like Emirates and Qatar Airways have government backing that lets them operate routes at artificial losses. They can afford $500,000 first-class suites because they're not playing by normal business rules. This forces American and European airlines to match their luxury standards or lose premium passengers. Without government subsidies, they fund these upgrades by squeezing economy passengers harder. You're caught in an international airline war where your comfort is the casualty. Asian carriers perfected precision luxury. European airlines offer restrained premium. American carriers were late to the game and are now desperately cramming premium products by removing your seats. Pro tip: airlines building their premium reputation offer better upgrade deals to compete with established luxury carriers. But here's where their strategy becomes a dangerous 10-year gamble. Number 5. The billion-dollar gamble that could fail. Once airlines install premium cabins, they're locked in for 5 to 10 years minimum. Every seat placement requires safety certification, crew training, supply chain commitments, and millions in upfront investment. There's no undo button once those holes are drilled. Lufthansa is spending $2.7 billion on their Allegris project. Air France is betting their La Première suites will pay off for the next decade. These aren't experiments. They're massive financial commitments determining profitability for years. Here's the risk they're not telling shareholders. If business travel doesn't return to pre-pandemic levels, or if economic conditions shift, those million-dollar seats could become aviation's most expensive mistake. They're gambling your future flight prices on luxury demand that might not materialize. Pro tip: airlines with newer premium products are more desperate to fill them. Look for deals on carriers who recently invested in luxury cabins. Now, if you haven't liked and subscribed by now, what are you waiting for? We've just exposed how airlines are literally stealing money from your wallet with these premium schemes. Hit that like button to help other smart travelers discover these industry secrets, and subscribe for more insider tricks to beat airlines at their own game. Turn on that bell. You'll want to see what we reveal next. Think that's risky? Wait until you hear why this gamble might completely backfire. Number 4. Why this strategy will backfire on you. Airlines are making a massive bet that could spectacularly backfire, and you'll be left holding the bill. If their premium strategy fails, they can't easily switch back without losing millions on reconfiguration costs. Business travel has permanently changed since the pandemic. Companies discovered Zoom meetings work fine and cost much less than flying executives worldwide. Remaining business travelers are flying smarter, taking fewer trips, demanding more value. Even their target demographic, blended travelers mixing business and leisure, is unpredictable. Airlines are gambling that luxury desires will grow, but if it doesn't, those pricey seats go empty while economy passengers face higher prices due to artificial scarcity. Pro tip: book flights during economic uncertainty when airlines get nervous about premium demand. They'll offer better deals to fill seats they're no longer confident selling at full price. But here's where you might think there's hope. Except airlines are rigging this game too. Number 3. The premium economy scam exposed. Airlines love to tout premium economy as the solution for travelers wanting more than coach but can't afford business class. But here's what they're not telling you. It's often just economy seats with slightly more legroom sold at business class profit margins. Some carriers offer genuine middle options, like AirAsia X's premium flatbed giving you a full bed without champagne and caviar. But most airlines deliberately keep this middle tier limited because they'd rather push you toward full-price business class. Why don't more airlines offer no-frills lie-flat seats? Because keeping cabins split into two extremes, miserable economy and ultra-luxurious premium, makes expensive options feel more necessary. It's psychological manipulation disguised as market segmentation. Pro tip: research which airlines offer genuine premium economy value versus glorified economy seats with bigger price tags. Now here's the part that directly hits your wallet every time you fly. Number 2. How premium seats destroy the economy. Here's the brutal truth airlines won't admit. Every premium seat they install makes the economy worse for millions of passengers. When they remove 60 economy seats to add 20 business class pods, basic supply and demand kicks in. Fewer cheap seats plus same demand equals higher prices. That $299 round trip to Europe, gone forever. You're now competing with more passengers for fewer economy seats. And airlines know they can charge more because you have limited options. They're creating artificial scarcity in the cabin you can actually afford. The remaining economy sections are becoming more crowded, overhead bins fuller, boarding longer, stress levels higher. Meanwhile, just feet away, passengers get warm towels and multi-course meals. The inequality isn't accidental. It's intentional and profitable. Pro tip: book economy seats early and be flexible with dates. Learn to leverage airlines' desperate need to fill premium seats by asking for upgrades when flights aren't full. But here's the final truth that reveals their ultimate strategy. Number 1. The rich-only flying future. Airlines have embraced a less is more philosophy that's fundamentally changing air travel forever. They'd rather fly half-empty planes with premium passengers than full planes with budget travelers. This isn't temporary. It's the new business model. For airlines, fewer passengers means lower costs, higher profits per passenger, and premium brand positioning. For passengers who can afford it, this means more space, better service, and exclusive experiences. But for everyone else, it means higher prices, fewer options, and deliberately degraded service. This two-class system isn't just about airplane seats. It's economic discrimination at 35,000 feet. Airlines are betting enough passengers will eventually crack and pay premium prices rather than endure the cattle car experience they've intentionally created. Pro tip: the best revenge is understanding their game completely. Use their profit tactics against them by timing bookings strategically and choosing airlines that haven't fully embraced this model. So, which of these airline conspiracies shocked you the most? Have you noticed the economy getting worse while premium cabins get fancier? And don't miss the next video about the secret airplane seat trick airlines hide from you. Essential travel tips for choosing the perfect seat and maximizing your legroom. Learn how to navigate seat maps and fly smarter. If you found this eye-opening, I'd really appreciate your support with a like and subscribe. It helps us keep exposing these airline secrets and bring you more insider travel tips. And, as always, safe travels.